ActiveCampaign versus Drip. Which email software has more advanced features? If you're deciding between ActiveCampaign and Drip for your email marketing needs, you're in the right place. We're about to break down the features of both platforms, highlight their strengths and weaknesses, and help you determine which one is better for advanced email automation. But stick around until the end, because I'll show you a better option that could give you everything you need, without the limitations you might face with either of these tools. Let's start with ActiveCampaign. The first thing that stands out with ActiveCampaign is its powerful automation features. This software allows for complex automations that can be triggered based on user behavior, and the visual builder makes it relatively easy to design these workflows. You can segment your audience in a variety of ways, from simple tags to deep, behavior-based triggers. However, this complexity can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and some users complain about a steeper learning curve. Next thing, customer relationship management, or CRM. ActiveCampaign integrates email marketing with CRM tools, allowing you to track customer interactions and make data-driven decisions. The CRM part of ActiveCampaign isn't as advanced as dedicated CRM tools, but it's a solid feature for those who want to combine email marketing and sales tracking in one platform. But here's where it gets tricky. If you have a complex sales pipeline, you might find ActiveCampaign CRM to be a bit too basic for your needs. It's good for small to medium-sized businesses, but can feel limited as your company scales. The third thing I want to point out is their email deliverability and reporting tools. ActiveCampaign has a good reputation for high email deliverability, and it offers deep analytics that can help optimize your campaigns. The reports are pretty detailed, but if you're looking for advanced A/B testing or more refined analytics, it might feel a little too basic. The reporting is there, but it lacks some of the customization and depth you'll get with other tools. Now, let's move on to Drip. Drip is another powerhouse in the email marketing space, but its strengths lie in its simplicity and focus on e-commerce. The first thing you'll notice with Drip is the user interface. It's incredibly user-friendly, which makes it ideal for people who want to get started with email automation without spending too much time on learning how to use the platform. Drip's email builder is intuitive, and the pre-built templates are a nice touch. Next thing about Drip, its e-commerce integrations. Drip is built to work seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. So, if you're running an e-commerce store, Drip can offer advanced features like abandoned cart emails, personalized product recommendations, and customer segmentation based on purchase history. However, this heavy focus on e-commerce can be a downside if you're not running an online store, as the features tailored to e-commerce businesses might not be useful to you. The fourth thing I'll mention is Drip's automation capabilities. Similar to ActiveCampaign, Drip allows for robust automation workflows, but it's not as complex. The drag-and-drop automation builder is easy to use, and it supports behavioral triggers, like when someone views a product or abandons their cart. While ActiveCampaign offers more granular controls, Drip's simplicity is often a big win for those who just want to set up automations quickly and easily. Finally, let's talk about pricing. ActiveCampaign's pricing is often considered a bit high for the features it offers. While it has a lot of advanced tools, small businesses might find the cost prohibitive, especially when compared to Drip's more affordable pricing structure. Drip's pricing tends to be more scalable for businesses that want to grow without breaking the bank. So, after trying both ActiveCampaign and Drip myself, I have to say they're both solid choices. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a more advanced solution that offers better flexibility, more comprehensive automation, and e-commerce friendly features without the headache of trying to figure out overly complex systems, I have a better alternative for you. Check out the link in the description for a free trial of a platform that combines the best features of both ActiveCampaign and Drip without the limitations. By signing up through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.